Assalamualaikum friends, today I'm going to do unboxing of one of the best wireless gaming keyboard and productivity keyboard. If you are looking for an alternative to Logitech's MX Master keyboard, this is the version to get, and it is from Keychron. The model that I have here is Keychron K5 V2. So we're going to see what's the difference between V2 and V1. So here, as you can see, here is the box, and the packaging is awesome guys, and it is very cheap compared to the Logitech's MX Master keyboard. And they have different options. If you want the RGB one, it's gonna cost you more, but if you want a simple white backlight, it's gonna cost less compared to this model. So the version that I have here, it comes with brown switches. You can select red switches as well, but I really like the brown switches in Keychron especially. So let me just quickly take a look at the box. Here, as you can see, on the back side we have low profile switches, full size layout, dual compatibility, a web configure, and 1000 hertz pulling rate. It can pair up to 3 devices, and the battery life, if you want good battery life, you can turn the RGB off because it comes with the 2000 milliamps of battery. And yeah, it's gonna last up to 1 to 2 weeks depending on if you are using the RGB or not. But yeah, it has 22 lightning effects, which I'm going to be showing you in a few minutes. So I really like the packaging. This is my first high-end keyboard, you can say, that I own currently. So let me just, I know there are more expensive keyboards than this, especially Logitech's MX Master, but still guys, if you are looking for an alternative to that one, you can get the Keychron K5 V2. So let me just quickly peel the plastic off. So I'm mainly going to be using it for my office work, and because of the low profile switches, and this is one of the best mechanical keyboards that you can buy right now. So because of the price and build quality, so we're going to see that. Let me just take out this plastic first, and here is the cover. I'm going to also take out this cover. So yeah, overall the packaging is 10 out of 10 guys. I really like the package. So let's quickly take the cover off. And here, as you can see, we have foam to protect the keyboard. Here is our quick start guide. So here, as you can see, wireless mechanical keyboard, Keychron, quick start guide. Currently the keycaps are for Mac OS, so we are going to be switching it to Windows. It comes pre-installed with Mac OS configuration, so we're going to change that. Here's the quick start guide as you can see. So we are going to switch these keys, and it's very easy to take out. They give you a tool as well, so you're going to easily remove the keycaps. So here is our keyboard, full size wireless mechanical keyboard version 2. So here are the keycaps that they provided, which is really nice. So you can easily switch to Windows OS. We get a really high quality USB Type-C cable with a very good length. So let me just quickly show you. It's nice that they provided us with this really nice USB Type-C cable to easily connect the keyboard. You can also pair this with USB, and if you want to configure it through web configuration, you need to pair it with the cable. So let me just quickly take the keyboard out. And yeah, overall it's quite heavy, but here is our keycaps changing tool, and here's the keyboard. Wow guys, I mean, the build quality is outstanding in this one. So let me just quickly check if there's anything inside the box as well. So yeah, that's it. These are the things that we get inside the box. So let me just quickly remove this one. And yeah, the keycaps feels really nice guys. It's not making that much noise, even though it's a mechanical keyboard with brown switches, and but I believe due to low profile tactile switches that they are using, it's a really nice keyboard, and you can easily use this in the office without any issues. Now let's take a quick look at our keyboard. Let me just quickly put these things to the side, and here's our keycaps, which I'm going to be changing to Windows, because in our office we are using Windows PC. So here is the quick look guys. Let me know in the comments down below if you like this one. You can also change the escape button with the black one, but I really like the orange accent. So in the V2, as you can see, we have now kickstand, which was not present on the version 1, and it is really nice to see that we get kickstand to adjust the height. So yeah, and the keycaps feels really nice, guys. And you can also change the buttons, you can remap the buttons through web configuration, which is very easy. You just need to connect your USB type C cable to your PC, and here is the Bluetooth switch on and off button. You can switch to Bluetooth mode, and you can switch to the cable mode. There's another button which you can switch between Windows and Mac, or you can switch to Windows Android. You can use it with your Android phones as well. So here is the first look, and the RGB is also looking really nice. It's not that much bright because of the light. I'm gonna show you after turning off the lights, and I'm gonna show you all the RGB modes as well. Let me just quickly change the keycaps, and I'm gonna skip this video. So guys, I've changed the keycaps, and now it's in Windows configuration, as you can see, and it was very easy to change the keycaps. It's very actually easy to pull out the keycaps. You also don't need the tool. I believe you can easily take out the keycaps, but I don't recommend it that way. So you just take out the keycaps by using the tool, and as you can see, now it's in Windows configuration. We have Alt and Windows button. So yeah, and yeah guys, don't throw the quick start guide, because it's gonna guide you how to pair your keyboard via Bluetooth, and what keys you need to change to be able to work it with Windows. So here, as you can see, they have all the instructions on this page as well. So yeah, don't throw this and keep it with you. Now let's quickly check the sound of the keycaps, how it sounds when you type. So I really like the sound of this keyboard. Let me know in the comments down below if you agree with me. Now let's take a quick look at the RGB. So here is the default RGB, and you can turn this off by pressing the FN key, and there is a switch, there is a light button. By easily you can turn off the RGB. So if you click on the num key, here as you can see, it is a static white. That means that the num key is on. It shows you a static white color. You can also turn off the RGB by pressing FN and this button on top. You can also change modes by pressing the FN key and Q button. So here is another mode. We have 22 different RGB modes that you can choose from. So this one also looks very nice. In a dark environment, in a dark room, it's gonna look really amazing, guys. You can get this model without the RGB as well, and it's gonna cost you less compared to this one. And you can also get this in a static white light configuration as well. So here is another mode. This one looks awesome, guys. Let me know in the comments down below if you agree with me. So yeah, this one looks fantastic, guys. I've never seen this type of mode. So let's try another one. This one is also very nice. So we have 22 modes that you can choose from, and if you want a static color background, you can pair this with the web configuration, and then you can choose a static color from there. You can customize the color as well, like blue, purple, green, and this one is also very nice. Here is another one. So yeah, very unique RGB. So here is another one. This one is also really nice. This is the static one, and you can change it, I believe, only through the web configuration. Here is the blink one, and here is the breathing one. And yeah, I really like the RGB in this keyboard. So guys, overall this keyboard is really nice in my opinion compared to Logitech's MX Master. It is, first of all, it is cheap compared to the Logitech's MX Master, and I highly recommend you to get this. So let me know if you like this video, comment down below, subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching my video, guys. I will see you guys in the next one. Allah Hafiz.